Welcome to the Student Data Confirmation tutorial for parents. Student Data Confirmation is a feature of ERIS that allows you as a parent or legal guardian to update your child's address, contacts, and authorization information. Student Data Confirmation allows certain documents to be available for you. You will be required to review and acknowledge these documents with your child. Some documents will need to be printed, filled out, signed, and bring to the school. Also, you will be able to upload some required documents needed by the school. To complete the student data confirmation, we recommend using the following devices: desktop computer connected to a printer, laptop, or Chromebook. Simply type the parent portal login page address, which is the URL eportal.sausd.us/parent portal. If you are using a cell phone, open a new browser and type the parent portal login page address. Please do not use the ERIS mobile app to complete the student data confirmation. When using your cell phone, open in Safari, type the URL above. If you are using the Google app, do a search and type SAUSD Parent Portal and click on the first option that reads ERIS Portals Santa Ana Unified School District. Once you are in the Parent Portal login page, enter your email address and password. If you are a new family in our district and you already submitted your email address to your child's school, check for an email from ERIS Reporting. The email address for ERIS Reporting will provide you with the Parent Portal login page, the username, which is your email address, and a password. If it has been a while since you last logged into your Parent Portal account and you can't remember your password, simply click on the Forgot Password option. Here, you need to enter your email address. Make sure to enter the email address associated with your Parent Portal account. If you need assistance, contact your child's school. A temporary password will be sent to you from ERIS Reporting. Once you receive a password, log into your Parent Portal account. Before you start the student data confirmation, make sure to select the student from the Change Student tab in the Parent Portal. Be advised that you will need to complete the student data confirmation for each of your children in the Parent Portal associated to you. Remember to change the student from the Change Student tab. If your child is continuing his or her education at the current school for next year, make sure to complete the data confirmation. If you have a new student coming into our district and the student is already pre-enrolled in the system, you must also complete the student data confirmation. For transition student, shown twice, Parent Portal. Why? If your child is transitioning to another school this school year, you will see your child twice in the Parent Portal. Make sure to click on your child's name where he or she is enrolled for next year. If you do not see your child in your Parent Portal, contact the current school. The old Parent Portal interface will show a yellow ribbon across the page. Simply click where it says click here to enter the student data confirmation page. The new Parent Portal interface shows you all of the students associated with the Parent Portal account. Click on your child's name and the banner will show on the lower right-hand corner. Again, click on the click here to enter the student data confirmation page. Now that we are in the student data confirmation page, I will walk you through the different tabs that needs to be completed to confirm your child's information. These are the family information, the student, documents, authorizations, requested documents, final data confirmation. After you review and complete each tab, you must click on Confirm and Continue button in order to save your answer during this process. The first tab is the family information. Answer both surveys regarding parents active in the U.S. Armed Forces and residents. We now move on to the Student tab. Here you can review your residence and mailing address, correspondent language, and parent educational ed level. If your address is incorrect, click on Change. A message on the right turned red, notifying you that changes will not be saved in the system and the new information will be emailed to the school. You can proceed to make the changes and remember to click on Save. You will see a second message above regarding the changes you just made and how the school will be notified via email. Go ahead and click on Confirm and Continue. You will receive an email from Errors Reporting regarding the changes on your address. If you have any questions, you can contact the school to obtain details of the changes. We move on to the Documents tab. Most of our documents are required. What does that mean? It means that all of the required documents must be acknowledged before you can continue with the student data confirmation. Some documents you will need to print, fill out, sign, and bring to the school. Other documents will be able to download, fill out, save, and upload later during the step 5 in the student data confirmation. Most of our required documents will be also available in our district website. To acknowledge a document, simply click in the Acknowledge box. As soon as you click on the Acknowledge box, the document will open on a separate tab for you to read and review it with your child. We added the emergency card to add additional context. This form is mainly for new students enrolling in our district. You may review your emergency context through the Parent Portal account. You can fill it out, save it on your computer. Later on, you can upload it during the process or simply print it and submit it to the school. You can contact the school to make an appointment. If you miss to acknowledge one of the required documents, you will see a red message notifying you that you cannot continue with the student data confirmation until you read and confirm all of the required documents. In the Authorization tab, you can choose to allow or deny certain authorization or participation of programs for your child. Notice that all of the authorizations are required. Simply check one of the boxes for each authorization. Click the Save button and then click on Confirm and Continue. Make sure to answer all of the required authorization in order to continue with the data confirmation. In requested documents, you will be able to upload your own documents such as proof of age, immunizations, and emergency card. Make sure to have your documents saved as PDF or JPEG. Click on Select Document. Find your document, select it, and click Open. You will see your uploaded document if it is shown below. You can also upload your emergency card if earlier you filled it out and save it on your computer. Before you click on the Finish and Submit button, make sure that you submitted all of your responses for each tab. If so, click on the Finish and Submit button. You will receive an email from Aries Reporting notifying you that you have completed the data confirmation. Make sure to read the final instruction regarding some of the required documents. These documents will be available in the district website by clicking on the link Required Documents by Grade Level. Here's a sample of the website where all the documents are. This concludes our student data confirmation. Thank you for watching.